is.
The Hin Lads.
Where are we?
The Hin Lads.
We're gonna swim down.
Embarrassing the children since
It's a little walk.
2010.
We'll tell you how it is.
We're gonna swim in the waterfalls if there's even water. Well, there's a lot of people here, so I think there's water.
Are you excited, Maya?
It rained a bunch, so I'd like to think that it didn't just rain in the areas without waterfalls.
All right. Oh, crazy hair.
Water in the river.
So, are you ready? Shall we go explore together? Let's do this. Explore. One of these videos, my hair won't be insane. Hopefully.
Yeah, I think that's unlikely. Humidity, heat, frizzy hair.
All right.
Oh, I do remember there being
You're a
stairs.
little bit excited. Where's Reggie? There he is. Grandpa, you excited?
Oh, I'm all excited.
We can follow Grandpa by the...
Sorry.
Look at this. You can see it coming down. Starting.
We gotta go! I've been waiting for such a long time. Can we please?
You guys can pick up the tape.
Okay, I'll see you at the waterfall. Yeah. My mom's so hot.
Grandpa's doing good.
So at a certain point, you actually have to go up a bit away from the pipes. You gain a bit of altitude. And then I think you probably go back down again up here a little ways. There's lots of little pools. I think we're going down, maybe not. There's a lot of little pools. It's all a matter of being able to get down to them. Little tree. Nope, look at that little fuzzy dude. There's Grandpa there, he's making it. He's holding strong. 70 years old, still doing it. Anybody that says it's hard trail, look at Grampy. So this is like the halfway point. You can go down there and go into that pool. Let's see how hard it is to walk down here. Seems pretty easy. Oh yeah. Not too difficult. Well. Not too bad as long as you can kind of scramble over stuff. All right, I'm just gonna get up here and video it and then come back. Mama's heading back that direction.
Okay.
I love you, Munchkin. Either one, you choose.
Right.
I'll go left.
No.
No, you go that way.
Leave me.
Don't leave you. I'm like 7 feet away. Oh, there you are. Oh.
How dare you? Why did you leave me? Why would you leave me? Oh.
So how are your shoes? Are they doing okay?
Yep, they're doing okay so far. And most of the sweat is coming out of my head.
Also me.
Ugh. Stupid mosquitoes. I will kill any mosquito I see.
For every one you kill, there's 100 billion more.
But one day, mosquitoes will be terminated.
Well, unfortunately, we need them. As much as I hate to say it.
I know. Why do we need them though? Why?
This might be the summit.
I think so.
Maybe.
Woo! Wang Fang. Wang Hin. Wang Fang.
It says waterfall that way.
So, the waterfall all the way back.
No, we're definitely not rocking the proper attire for that.
Like swim the waterfall all the way back.
Well, if it was deep the whole way.
Maybe
But
we
you
could,
kind of, well,
like just go in the waterfall the way back. Because we kind of followed the waterfall on the way there. Fruit.
some sort of fruit. Fruit-like thing. Wonder what it is.
If you don't know what it is, never eat it, kids.
True that, yo.
Unless other people are eating it and they're not dying. Then, maybe you can eat it.
Yeah, that seems fair.
We're the only ones who decided to push all the way through.
Mm-hmm.
It said that the waterfall is in 260 meters. So, now we're at a crossroad.
I think this one is easier. So, if you're gonna do this,
Be prepared.
make sure to bring water, backpack,
Definitely.
and wear shoes. Don't wear flip-flops.
Or cross.
Or like Crocs, or maybe some good Tevas, or like hiking sandals, but they gotta be good.
Yeah. I mean, I did it with cross.
They gotta be tight so your feet don't slip around.
Yeah.
It's not like overly hot, but it's mad humid.
Hold on.
Mad humid.
Oh my god. We're going in between the rocks. And there's water.
I think they're up there just a bit farther.
Oh my gosh. Okay.
Yeah, let me check. Let's check. Let's see what,
Is this water okay?
yeah, it's fine. Let's see what All Trails has to say about it. Oh, GPS hasn't updated yet. Maybe Google Maps, have you updated? Nope. Seem to have lost the trail a little bit. But maybe we're picking it back up again. It kind of looks like this massive trees fell over.
I don't know what's right here.
And then,
Hold on.
I'm holding.
Leaving your daughter. My God.
I can still hear you by your whining.
Where did you learn to leave your daughter?
Oh my gosh. Apparently anything outside of 10 feet is leaving the children.
Yes. Yes, it is. The water's nice
Almost
and
down.
cold. I want to swim.
So it looks like just kind of following this little stream here for the last bit. There was multiple groups ahead of us, so
Yes, so they obviously went somewhere.
my sweatiness level is very high.
Mine too.
Very, very high.
After this, when we're at the waterfall, should we take a break?
Should definitely take a break.
Yeah. I'm a protagonist now.
Okay, hold on. How's that go again?
My heart was pounding, but we were almost there, so I just had to go on. Now I'm acting like an anime protagonist.
If you were acting like an anime protagonist, you'd be yelling it.
Yes.
Whew.
Oh. The walk back will be painful.
For reals. So when you get right near the end, think that you choose this, because the trail goes like up, and then there's this fork to the left here, and you can kind of see the waterfall through the trees a little bit. And we're taking this left-hand for it because we really want to be down at the bottom of it, not so much at the top. So hopefully this is correct. But we're going to find out here in just a few seconds. Maybe like 30 seconds. All right.
Perfect.
So that is the waterfall. Made it. All right. Made it to the top. Yeah. Good. Are you gonna jump in? All right, hold on. Alright, bye-bye waterfall.
Goodbye. I always remember this place. Well,
Yep.
if we live here, we're definitely going to come back.
Yep. Alright, now we're going to hoof it back as fast as we can. Again, wear shoes and bring water. It's not really too tough of a walk. Just the humidity is a bit gnarly. And there's some areas where like you really just need to wear shoes and then it's fine. Good grip, you're all good. Don't wear flip-flops though. No flip-flops. It's a bad idea. Look at that palm leaf right there.
Oh, wow.
That's that like survivor-sized palm leaves.
Wow.
He makes them. Serious shelter out of those deals, huh? All right, Hulam. So how'd you like the waterfall? Oh, is your hair all messed up?
Oh no.
So how'd you like the waterfall?
It was amazing. I loved it, and we're definitely gonna visit it again because, unfortunately,
Some of the people were not wearing the proper footwear and they could not make it.
no, they just weren't as tough as us.
Just not as tough as the two of us. Yeah.
My beautiful hair.
Fuck, terrible. But it's nice. It's a nice waterfall. You just have to make sure that there's water. Like when you're down here at the bottom, check and make sure that there's a good bit of water rolling through. Because you don't want to get to the top and find out it's dry. But it was nice. It was deep up there. The area that we jumped in at was over my head with my hands sticking straight up. So like at least 7 foot deep. And it was a fine walk. Just wear shoes and have water with you. And
be prepared to walk a little.
It was good. It was a lot of fun. So definitely come up here and go check out the waterfall.
Yes. Okay, so like, subscribe. Comment down below what other videos you want to watch, and see you next time.